Hello. Welcome to Visit Begin Learning Languages channel. Thanks for watching video today. Happy to see all of you again with English learning videos. As you can see on the screen, our topic is how to answer with 5 dialogue questions in English. But don't forget to subscribe this channel and comment if you have any question. Let's start together now. Dialogue 1, Family Trip.
David, what have you been up to lately? I went on a trip with my family last week. Really? Where did you go? I went to Europe. What cities did you go to? London, Paris, and a few other small cities. Did you go to Berlin? No. We didn't go there. I'd like to go there next time. I think the summer is a good time to visit Berlin. It's a beautiful place and the people there are very nice. That's what I have heard. I went there last year. If you want, I can give you some information I have about the city. Thanks.
Dialogue 2, I went shopping. Sarah, what did you do today? I went shopping. Did you buy anything? Yes, I bought a few things. What did you buy? I bought this coat. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Where did you buy it? At the mall on 5th Street. Was it expensive? No, it wasn't expensive. It was on sale for $20. That's cheap. I know. It was a really good deal. I don't think you'll need to wear it for a while. It's been really hot lately.
Dialogue 3, what kind of music do you like?
Paul, what kind of music do you like to listen to?
All kinds, but mostly pop, rock, and classical. Why?
Because I have tickets to a show. Do you want to go with me?
What kind of music is it?
Pop. It's Mariah Carey.
When is it?
At 8 p.m. tomorrow night.
Yeah, I'd like to go. Do you think we should have dinner first?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Let's eat at the restaurant across the street from my apartment.
Oh, I think I know the place you mean. We ate there last month, right?
Yes, that's right. You have a good memory. Dialogue 4, going to the library.
Lisa, would you like to go to the library with me? Okay, do you think we can go buy a newspaper first? Sure. First we'll go buy a newspaper. And then we'll go to the library. Are we going to walk or drive? The weather is very nice today. Let's walk. The weather is good now, but I think it's supposed to rain this afternoon. Alright, then let's take an umbrella. Is your brother coming with us? No, he's still sleeping. Wow. It's already 10 a.m. He must have been up late last night. Yeah. He didn't come home until 12 a.m. I hope he can come later. I hope so too. I'll give him a call when we get there. How do we get to the library from here? It's straight down this road on the left, next to the museum. It takes about 10 minutes. Dialogue 5, where do your parents live?
Hi Melissa, are you going home this weekend?
No, not this weekend. I have too much work to do.
Where do your parents live?
My father lives in Washington, D.C.
How about your mother?
My mother died 2 years ago.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Is your father still working?
No, he's retired.
Do you have any family here?
Yes, 2 of my cousins live here and my aunt and uncle live about 30 miles from here.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes. I have 2 brothers who live in New York and a sister who lives in Boston.
Do you see them a lot?
Not as much as I'd like to. Usually just on holiday like Thanksgiving and Christmas.